discussion of the muscles of the hand. This is the left side of the upper limb. This is the hand, and total 20 muscle inside the hand. This is the lateral side. This is the medial side. Towards the little finger, it is the medial side. This is the lateral sides. Over the thumb sides, inside the palm, this muscles, group of muscle, it is called the thenar muscle. Here over the little finger, the muscle, group of muscle, it is called the hypothenar muscles. Inside the tendon of the flexor digitorum profundus, the muscles, it is the lumbricals. There are 4 lumbricals, 4 thenar muscles, 4 hypothenar muscles, and 4 palmar interossei inside the palm, and 4 dorsal interossei. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 dorsal interossei. Total 20 muscle inside the hand. Now we will discuss about the thenar muscles. The first thenar muscle, this is the abductor pollicis brevis. This is the flexor pollicis brevis. And once reflect, this is the opponens pollicis. And the first and second lumbricals, here you can see this is the lumbricals muscle. Here you can see this is the first lumbricals, this is the second lumbricals. These 2 lumbricals, first and second lumbricals, here you can see this is the lumbricals, first and second lumbricals, which is innervated by the median nerve. And also this is the abductor pollicis brevis, flexor pollicis brevis, and this is the opponens pollicis. 3 muscles of the thenar muscles, and first and second lumbricals are innervated by the median nerve. This is the median nerve, you can see. The other muscles, so these are the 5 muscles which is innervated by the median nerve. You can see here, this is the median nerve. The hypothenar muscles towards the little finger, this is the abductor digiti minimi, this is the flexor digiti minimi, and this one is the opponens digiti minimi. And superficial muscle, it is a palmaris brevis, but it is not here. So abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi, opponens digiti minimi, third and fourth lumbricals. Here you can see this is the third and fourth lumbricals. These are the bipinnate muscles. And 4 palmar interossei. Here you can see these are the 4 palmar interossei. This is the deep branch of the ulnar nerve, and this is the adductor pollicis. Between the 2 head of the adductor pollicis, the deep branch of the ulnar nerve which passes. So this all muscle, adductor pollicis, 4th palmar interossei, 3rd and 4th lumbricals, and muscles of the hypothenar, mainly the abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi, opponens digiti minimi. These are the supplied by the deep branch of the ulnar nerve. And palmaris brevis, which is supplied by the superficial branch of the ulnar nerve. And the 4 dorsal interossei also supplied by the ulnar nerve. So these are the 4 dorsal interossei which is also supplied by the deep branch of the ulnar nerve. So the deep branch of the ulnar nerve which innervate to the 3 hypothenar muscles, mainly the abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi, and opponens digiti minimi. And 4th hypothenar muscle, it is a palmaris brevis which is innervated by the superficial branch. 3rd and 4th lumbricals, which is innervated by the deep branch of the ulnar nerve. 4 palmar interossei, which is innervated by the deep branch of the ulnar nerve. 4 dorsal interossei, which is innervated by the deep branch of the ulnar nerve. And lastly, adductor pollicis, which is the thenar muscle, which is also innervated by the deep branch of the ulnar nerve. So in short, you have to remember median nerve which innervate to the abductor pollicis brevis, flexor pollicis brevis, and opponens pollicis. These are the 3 muscles of the thenar muscles, and first and second lumbricals. First and second lumbricals, here you can see this is the first lumbricals, and here you can see this is the second lumbricals. Both are innervated by the median nerve, and median nerve also innervate to the 3.5 fingers on the lateral aspect, mainly the thumb, index finger, middle finger and ring finger lateral side, which is innervated by the median nerve. So thigh muscles, abductor pollicis brevis, flexor pollicis brevis, opponens pollicis, first lumbricals and second lumbricals are innervated by the median nerve. Remaining all the muscles are innervated by the ulnar nerve. Here you can see this is the ulnar nerve which innervate to the 4 hypothenar muscles, mainly the palmaris brevis. It is not here, but the abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi, opponens digiti minimi are innervated by the ulnar nerve. 4 palmar introicii, it is innervated by the ulnar nerve. Third and fourth lumbricals, which is innervated by the ulnar nerve, and the adductor pollicis, it is the thinner muscles, only one thinner muscles which is innervated by the deep branch of the ulnar nerve, and 4 dorsal palmar introicii, which is innervated by the deep branch of the ulnar nerve. You have to remember pad and dab. Pad means palmar introicii, which is doing the adduction of the fingers. This is the adduction of the finger, and this is the abduction. So abduction which is done by the dorsal introicii and adduction by the palmar introicii, and the lumbricals which is crosses at the metacarpophalangeal joints. Here you can see this is the lumbricals which is crosses at the metacarpophalangeal joints, and at the metacarpophalangeal joint it doing the flexion, and at the interphalangeal joint it doing the metacarpophalangeal joint it doing the flexion, and interphalangeal joint this lumbricals which extends the fingers. So this is about to the actions of the lumbricals, palmar introicii and dorsal introicii.